Today in the El Yucateco kitchen, we're going to be sharing 3 dip recipes to kick up the flavors in your charcuterie board. So dip number 1 is a honey mustard, but it is so good, we're calling it money mustard. Start with 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 1/3 cup of Dijon mustard, a 1/4 cup of honey, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1/2 ounce of El Yucateco habanero and chiltepine. Now just mix until fully combined and place in the fridge until it's time to serve. Next up is our ghost pepper dip, which starts with 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of coarse black pepper, and 1/4 ounce of El Yucateco habanero and ghost. You can add more if you'd like a little more kick. Mix well and refrigerate till serving. Last up is our Greek Islands dip, which starts with 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 2 teaspoons of feta cheese crumbles, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon dill, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1/2 ounce of our El Yucateco marisqueta red. Again, mix well and chill in the fridge. Then serve all 3 of these up with all your favorite goodies on your charcuterie board. We hope you enjoyed this video. Take care till next time. Remember to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. See you on the next one.